How to fix the Snapchat error code SS07. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Snapchat error code SS07. So let's get started. So this issue is encountered due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity. So if you have multiple accounts on your phone, that is multiple Snapchat accounts, and you simply log out and log in with multiple accounts. So Snapchat detects them as spam accounts. So they just simply block you from Snapchat. So there are a few reasons you might be having trouble logging in or creating a new Snapchat account is because you are having too many spam accounts and Snapchat security detects that. And they just think that you are only creating spam accounts, and that is against the Snapchat's guideline. So that is why they block your account, or they block you from logging in or creating new accounts on Snapchat. To get rid of that, you can simply head over, just delete Snapchat and reinstall that. Or you can also go to settings, go to general, and you can go to iPhone storage, search for Snapchat, and simply click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. If that doesn't fix your issue, what you can do is simply head over to general again, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and then you can reset all settings, and you can also erase all content and settings and simply reset your device in order to fix the issue. So that is basically how you can fix Snapchat error code SS07. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.